Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Pogishi Sehata and I do a lot of cleaning, organizing, decorating, and cooking videos. If you like those kind of videos, you can go ahead and hit that like, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. So today we're gonna be cleaning my refrigerator. As you guys has been seeing me cleaning my cupboards, my wardrobe, my pantries, and all of that. So even this week I'm doing my refrigerator. So just come along with me in this video as we are cleaning our fridge, just to get you motivated. Let's go and enjoy. Here is the top part of my refrigerator. And here's the bottom part. You can see it's pretty dirty. We had a lot of melt down here because of load shedding. So things were just melting in here. So we need to clean that out. And then here at the bottom is very, very dirty, guys. It's not nice. I'm sure some of you are disgusted by that, but we gotta clean that out. All thanks to load shedding. We're gonna start by placing this towel here for any excess water that comes when we are defrosting the fridge, because I don't have time to wait for it to defrost on its own. But I'm gonna show you right now what I do to get it quickly defrosted so I can clean it. Let's remove the bottom drawers. I already broke one, so you have to be careful when removing these things because they're very sensitive. Just be careful when you are removing them. Take all the veggies out. Just a little bit frozen, but I've got a bowl full of hot water, so I'm just gonna put that in there, close it up, and then wait for it to melt everything that is in there so that I can be able to clean it when I'm finished with the top. So before we start, guys, we're just gonna pre-treat the compartments so that they can soak in the all-purpose cleaner. First, we're gonna start by removing everything in the fridge and clear out the space so we can be able to clean it out. Now that the compartments are completely stripped off, we're gonna spray everything inside the fridge just to let everything grind loose so we can be able to wash it off. Now I've got my microfiber cloth and my sponge, so let's just start washing it off.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar.
You can see here there's just a little bit of yellow there, that's staining, that does not want to come out. You can always take your bicarbonate of soda and then just spray it off, put it on top of that yellow thing.
And I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure.
Remember that warm water we had at the bottom? Now we're just going to use it to wipe off the top. start by putting this paper towel down so to suck all that water that had defrosted.
Where you wanna go? I am all about adventure times. Another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smile, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the woo girls doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Don't be a stranger in the night. Take a chance for some romance. Don't cover your eyes. Willow trees know you better than anyone else. It's time you let your guard down. For someone like me, I'd say I'm settled and pretty calm. I don't storm in the storm. If not me, then someone like
These two drawers for the fruits and vegetables, I lined them up with the paper towel just to trap the excess water. So we're just gonna go ahead and put them in the fridge. Now I'm just gonna wipe everything that was in the fridge and put it back. Even though there was not a lot, still have to go shopping and buy some more groceries. So let's just wipe them.
I'd ever seen. You stand beside me in every dream. Angel goddess, you cover them all. Say, what can I do to get you to fall for someone like me?
In this last container, we're gonna put in our bicarbonate of soda and put it in the fridge just to keep it smelling fresh. That's it guys for my video today. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Cheers.